This is the 3rd of August, and this is Rhapsody Clicks. You know, in life, that assurance that you have that you are right with God, you know, having that sense that you can stand before Him without a sense of guilt or inferiority is a precious gift that you can get in no other way but through the gospel of Jesus Christ. When you read the Rhapsody realities today, you'll get to see why you must share the gospel with everybody, because in the gospel there's a gift that you can get in no other way. Find out what that gift is. And remember, if you are not yet a partner, why don't you join me to distribute millions of copies of Rhapsody Realities? Go ahead and click right now. Have a great day. I love you. God bless you.